Hello everyone and welcome to Rhyme and Storytime with me, Tyan. We make Camden celebrating Black History season. How many ways can we say hello? How many ways can we say hello? How many ways do you know? Bonjour, hola, assalamu alaikum, jambo, habari, lumalang, oliocha, bon dia, ya, wagwan. It's wonderful to be here celebrating with you. We are going to celebrate with some singing and some music and some storytelling. I'm proud to be me. Are you proud to be you? I'm proud, you're proud, we're proud of who we are. Are we proud of who we are? Why should we be proud? Why should we be proud? Well, you should be proud of what you look like, as there's only one you who looks the way you do. You should be proud of the way you dress and your sense of style. You should be proud of the things you do all on your own with no help. And if you needed a little bit of help too, even grown-ups need a little bit of help sometimes. You should be proud of your friends because they're the family you choose. You should be proud like the shining star you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, you should be proud of who you are. Oh, I love that. Should we sing that one? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, you should be proud of who you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, you should be proud of who you are. Oh, lovely. I'm feeling a rhythm. Did you know that dance is important to African and Caribbean culture? It tells a story, it recounts history, it shows emotion, it celebrates our identity and unifies us as a community. We all know how to do the azonto, 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 I'm sure, and the shaku, 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 shaku. Shall we do some dancing under the banyan tree? Ooh, are you ready? Moonshine tonight, come make me dance and sing. Moonshine tonight, come make me dance and sing. Me they rock so, you they rock so under the banyan tree. Me they rock so, you they rock so under the banyan tree. Moonshine tonight, come make me dance and sing. Moonshine tonight, come make me dance and sing. Me they rock so, you they rock so under the banyan tree. Me they rock so, you they rock so under the banyan tree. Shall we hold hands? Come we hold hands and make we dance and sing. Come we hold hands and make we dance and sing. Me they rock so, you they rock so under the banyan tree. Me they rock so, you they rock so under the banyan tree. Oh, I love dancing. And if it's a celebration of culture, I love that too. I remember a clapping game I used to play with my family called the roller coaster. Would you like to learn it? We can sing it together. Ready? Down, down, baby, down, down the roller coaster, sweet, sweet, sway. I'll never let you go. Now, chili, chili, go, 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 chili, chili, pow. Chili, chili, go, 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 chili, chili, pow. Mama, mama, sick in bed. Called the doctor and the doctor said, let's get the rhythm of the head, ding dong. Let's get the rhythm of the head, ding dong. Let's get the rhythm of the hands. Let's get the rhythm of the hands. Let's get the rhythm of the hot dog. Let's get the rhythm of the hot dog. Let's get the rhythm of the feet. Let's get the rhythm of the feet. Put them all together and what have you got? Ding dong, hot dog. Put them all backwards and what have you got? Hot dog, ding dong. Oh, should we do that one again? I love that one. Are we ready? We're going down, down, baby, down, down the roller coaster, sweet, sweet baby. I'll never let you go now. Chili, chili, go, go, go. Chili, chili, pow. Chili, chili, go, go, go. Chili, chili, pow. Mama, mama, sick in bed. Call the doctor and the doctor said, let's get the rhythm of the head, ding dong. Let's get the rhythm of the head, ding dong. Let's get the rhythm of the hands. Let's get the rhythm of the hands. Let's get the rhythm of the hot dog. Let's get the rhythm of the hot dog. Let's get the rhythm of the feet. Let's get the rhythm of the feet. Put them all together and what have you got? Ding dong. Hot dog. Put them all back and what have you got? Hot dog. Ding dong. Yay, well done. Here's another childhood favorite of mine. Do you know what a mango is? It's a very large tropical fruit grown in hot countries, including parts of South America, Central Africa, the Caribbean. It's very tasty and you should try one if you haven't already. I'm going to sing you a song about it. Are we ready? Me brother did tell me nothing go mango walk, not go mango walk, not go mango walk. Me brother did tell you nothing go mango walk, and not pick the number 11. Tell me, Joe, do tell me for true, do tell me for true, do tell me, Joe. Do tell me for true, do tell me for true, do tell me that you not go for no mango walk and steal all the number 11. Me brother did I tell you not to go mango walk, not go mango walk, not go mango walk. Me brother did I tell you not to go mango walk and not pick the number 11. I tell you, Sue, I tell you for true, I tell you for true, I tell you that I don't go to no mango walk and steal all the number 11. Oh, that's a lovely one. Number 11 is a variety of mango, by the way. Oh, let's see. Thank you for singing along with me. Is it time for a story? I'm going to tell you an Anansi folktale taken from a series of popular folktales known to all African countries and Caribbean islands. Kwaku Anansi was a very mischievous young man that was always getting into trouble. So one day, his dad, the sun god, turned him into a spider, the smallest creature possible. And that was to stop him from getting into any trouble. But this did not stop Anansi. Oh no, he continued to get up to all sorts, mainly tricking those animals a lot larger than himself. This is the story of Anansi and the turtle. Mr. Turtle went to visit Anansi. Anansi was just about to tuck into his dinner. He had his rice and his pot of beans and his yam and his plantain, and he didn't want to share. But if your neighbours come knocking, you must open your door. So he opened his door to Mr. Turtle. And Mr. Turtle was so happy to be just in time for dinner that he sat down at the table, just about to eat all the wonderful food. Thank you for letting me in, Anansi. Wait, Anansi said. You must wash your hands before you eat any of this food. Oh yes, Mr. Turtle said. So he made his way to the bathroom to wash his hands. Now, whilst Mr. Turtle was in the bathroom washing his hands, Anansi decided he was going to eat as much food as possible so that he didn't have to share with Mr. Turtle. So he started gobbling up all the food. And by the time Mr. Turtle made his way back to the table, nearly all the food was gone. What's happened, Anansi? Nearly all the food's gone, he said. And Anansi said, well, you took so long to wash your hands, I couldn't wait any longer. So Mr. Turtle started just about to eat some of the food. And Anansi said, but wait, are you sure you washed your hands properly? because they don't look that clean to me. Now, Mr. Turtle looked at his hands and he said, well, Nancy, I do have to use them to crawl along your floor and it isn't particularly clean. But I will make my way back to the bathroom and I will wash them again. So he made his way back to the bathroom and he washed his hands. And do you know what? While he was in the bathroom washing those hands, and Nancy gobbled up all the food until there was nothing left. Mr. Turtle made his way back to the table and he said, oh, Nancy, what happened? All the food's gone. And Nancy, full up to the brim, said, yes, I'm sorry, Mr. Turtle. I couldn't wait for you. I was so hungry. Maybe next time. And Nancy and and he showed Mr. Turtle to the door, and Mr. Turtle left the door very, very hungry. On his way home, Mr. Turtle thought to himself, that Nancy played a trick on me. He made me wash my hands 2 times. And those 2 times I went to the bathroom, he finished the food so there was none left for me. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to invite Nancy round for dinner tomorrow. The next day, Mr. Turtle invited Nancy to his home for dinner. Now, Mr. Turtle lived at the bottom of the pond. And when Nancy made his way to the pond, he realized he was too small and too light to float down to the bottom of the pond. Instead, he just stayed on the surface. Mr. Turtle called down from the bottom of the pond, come on, Nancy, wouldn't you like to eat some of this lovely food? And through the water, Nancy could see all the lovely spread that Mr. Turtle had put down for him. But he just couldn't make it down into the bottom of the pond to reach it. And Nancy had an idea. I know, if I find some stones and I put them in my pockets, maybe that will give me enough weight to make it down to the bottom of the pond. So Nancy went and found some stones and he filled his pockets with the stones. And sure enough, he was able to sink down to the bottom of the pond. At last, Mr. Turtle said, have a seat. Just about when Nancy was just about to tuck into his food, Mr. Turtle said, wait! You know you can't sit at the dinner table wearing your coat. You must take your coat off at the table. And then Nancy said, but, and Mr. Turtle said, no, you must take your coat off at the table. It's good manners. So Nancy took the coat off. And do you know what happened? He floated right back up to the surface again. And he couldn't get back down. And while he was at the top, Mr. Turtle gobbled up all the lovely food. And then Nancy watched from the top of the pond. And then Nancy was really, really hungry. And he decided to go home. Oh, and Nancy thought about it. It wasn't very nice that I played that trick on Mr. Turtle yesterday. My dad was right. What goes around comes around. Oh, poor Nancy, always playing tricks. What a lovely story. I really hope you enjoyed listening to our rhymes today and our story. And we will continue to celebrate together Black History Season. And I will be back again. Bye.